NHS racked up £145,000 legal bill in court battle to turn off Alfie Evans' life support. NHS officials racked up £145,000 in legal costs in an attempt to switch off Alfie Evans' life support, it has been revealed. Alder Children's NHS Foundation Trust was forced to disclose the figure following a Freedom of Information request by supporters of Alfie's family. Relatives have branded the sum as disgusting and have claimed that the trust wanted to kill Alfie during the long-running legal dispute. Alfie, who suffered from a rare degenerative brain condition, was in a coma for the final 16 months of his life. Doctors argued that his condition could not improve and strongly opposed moves by his family to provide specialist care outside the country. The tragic toddler's life support was finally switched off in April as the family's lawyers eventually exhausted all legal avenues following a Court of Appeal ruling. Supporters emailed the trust in March and demanded find out how much was spent on legal fees and other costs related to the case. The FOI request asked, "Can you please clarify how much the trust have spent on legal fees so far with regards to taking the case of baby Alfie Evans to the High Court to terminate his life support?" Alder responded, "The trust has engaged external lawyers to represent it in court proceedings concerning the care of Alfie Evans and provide related legal advice and support. As of the date of your request, the trust's records indicate that a total sum of £145,354.77, excluding VAT, including disbursements such as counsel and court fees, has been invoiced in relation to both the court proceedings and related legal advice and support." Alfie Evans' aunt, Sarah Evans, has hit out on Facebook at the Derby-based hospital following the revelation. She said, "When you get sent this, furious, angry and disgusted is not even close, the taxpayers' money? Over £145,000 to kill my nephew? Alder and our government. Need I say more? We had a hospital, we had the money to take him elsewhere, we had the plane ready, we had Alfie fighting and they paid this to kill him? Ask yourselves why? We had no chance of saving our warrior Alfie when we had 60+ police officers guarding that hospital. We the family got our bags checked when we went to visit Alfie, as well as being escorted by police down the corridor to see him. We could not close the doors on Alfie's cubicle to have privacy, as a nurse had to sit outside to watch us like we were criminals, as well as 3 to 4 police officers outside Alfie's room. Ask yourself, when the new royal was born, were there that many police officers guarding them? No, they done wrong and the truth will be out soon. Disgusting. They should be ashamed of themselves. How can they even sleep at night? Would they treat their own child like that? No, so why do it to someone else's is so horrible." Supporters have lashed out on social media at the hospital's decision to turn off Alfie Evans' life support. One poster wrote, "This is an absolute disgrace. How vile is that? Alfie, you are missed each and every day and I will never forget you." Another said, "This is the most vile, disgusting thing I have ever read. I've no words at all. They spent all this money to make sure Alfie didn't survive when the truth is they should have let his family take him.